Yeah, and I actually just spoke with him again. He says that 7 new inmates were transferred into his isolation that were just positive for COVID-19. Others that had previously tested positive were sent back out. I also spoke with his mother today, who says she's very worried and very thankful she can speak with him on the phone every day.
To say this has been the biggest nightmare would be an understatement. I didn't want to cry, but here I go. Worrying if he's going to be alive.
This is CATHY LINFORD. Her 30-year-old son is currently an inmate at the Draper State Prison. Last week, he tested positive for COVID-19.
So right now, I'm not experiencing terribly too many symptoms of COVID. Started with extreme sinus headache, and then it was a fever, and then it led to difficulty breathing at about 4 or 5 days after positive testing. And then it was body ache. It felt like I had been run over by a truck.
But he says others he's around are still worse than he is.
There's people in here that I'm surprised haven't died over the weekend. They're coughing, they're coughing so hard they're throwing up.
HANSEN, who has asthma, says they get very little medical treatment and says he just gets basic Tylenol as medication.
Everybody feels abandoned. Many people feel that this was purposeful infection.
Calvin HANSEN is in prison for a probation violation. His probation from a 2011 sexual battery conviction. After serving time, he was court-ordered to attend counseling. And after violating that probation, he was rearrested and ordered to complete that program in his time at the Draper State Prison.
I did absolutely what I did. I just want to get the programming done. But there is no programming going on, period, in this prison right now.
But his mom is trying to get him released so he can complete that program outside.
I've been working on this since COVID first hit the prison.
For HANSEN, he's still trying to get things done on the inside.
The lieutenant here and one of the officers here refused to give us level 1 grievance forms for a week and a half. We just barely got some yesterday, so that way we can start the grievance process in order to defend our own rights.
Honestly, it's appalling. I'm infuriated. My son had no chance to socially distance.
And when asked what they were hoping for the future.
Honestly, I just want them to take accountability for what has happened.
And with those latest numbers released just about an hour ago, there was a new statement from the Utah Department of Corrections. We will have that linked up on our website, but they're also saying for any loved ones that are concerned about medical care from their loved ones that are inside the prison to call a hotline that they have set up. We'll also have that on our website. Live at the Draper State Prison, Spencer Joseph, Fox 13 News, Utah.